Hello to my friends at Cloudray. It's Tim from Flare Fabrication. I wanted to start by saying thank you for another fantastic year of partnership. It has been a real pleasure working with the good people at Cloudray Laser this year, and I hope our partnership can continue for years to come. This year, I got an upgrade to my shop, which was this here, Cloudray 60-watt MOPA fiber laser, and it has been an absolute fantastic machine. I was really impressed by the quality of this machine, and also just how easy it was to set up. Thank you so much once again for sending this machine to me. It's been a real game changer for my shop. I'm looking forward to another fantastic year of partnership with Cloudray. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
Hi, this is John down in Texas. I'd like to take a moment to thank the folks down at Cloudray for their support and guidance in 2023. We've really enjoyed the partnership program. We look forward to a great 2024. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone out there, especially to the staff down at Cloudray. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Greg from the Laser channel on YouTube, and behind me is the Cloudray 50-watt fiber laser machine. This has been an absolute blast of a machine to use because it is fast, it's powerful, and it's very detailed in its work. From the Laser channel, I'd like to express to all of you working at Cloudray, thank you for making such a wonderful machine to use, and I wish you a safe and happy holiday season.
To everyone at Cloudray from me, Andy, here in Australia, with my trusty Cloudray Easy Marker fiber laser, I'd like to thank you for your caring service, continued support and cooperation throughout the year of 2023, and take this time to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well, hello there. This is Russ from Subar Multimedia. I'm camped outside here beside my Christmas tree waiting for Father Christmas. I'm well prepared with my hot cup of coffee. I'm expecting some nice gifts for the new year. Now, I've got some interesting projects coming up next year which involves diode lasers. Not the machines, just the actual diode laser technology itself. So I'd like to wish all the members of Cloudray a very happy Christmas and a successful 2024. And all those guys out there in the laser community, happy Christmas.
Hi, my name's Travis, and I love my Cloudray laser. This laser is so fun to use and of such great quality. It allows me to do innovative things, like for instance these laser cut wedge tenons, which make easy construction in 3 dimensions. So from my home to yours, happy holidays.
Thank you, Cloudray, for sending me these amazing gifts, and thank you for creating such an amazing laser equipment. Expect more from me next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.